What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Stacks and the STX coin. Wanted to make a full video on that, wanted to take a look at the fundamentals both for Stacks but also for the market, which we have to, especially after a move like this yesterday evening and tomorrow and this morning. We got a lot of bullish momentum coming from the markets. It has multiple reasons why. For example, not Silvergate, but Silicon Valley Bank being kind of restored. USDC regaining its peg almost. It's still a cent short. And probably institutional buying as well. Whales buying crypto helped the crypto market being bullish, including STX. But now the question is can we hold that up? And how is STX itself doing? And tomorrow we'll have the inflation rate. That's going to make the market move a lot. What can we expect from that? So we'll cover that in this video. Before that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the link down in the description. There you'll be able to find instructions on how to join, but also trade results. All right, so yeah, let's get right into Stacks right now. I mean, if we first start with, we already briefly touched upon the fundamentals in the market, I think. If we now take a look at some of the fundamentals for Stacks itself, it was very bullish, but as you can see right now, because of the price movements, the total value locked is pretty decent. It's around 24 million, which is not that much to be honest, but it's compared to where it was, it's quite nice. The daily transactions though and the daily active addresses are dropping down, showing a clear trend. Also the total value locked was also a clear trend if the prices did not go up a little bit, right? So there's a clear trend that it's probably the momentum for Stacks, which it had a lot of in February, that is probably decreasing a little bit, which is not the end of the world. It can come back, but at this point of time it's decreasing a little bit. So that's kind of the situation for Stacks. We know the situation in the market. It's very unstable still. It's very risky, especially still before the inflation rate. So we can battle that with technicals, I think, for Stacks. And I don't have a concrete prediction for Stacks, but I do have a concrete analysis based upon which you will know what's going to happen. As you can see on the chart right now, Stacks is around 75 cents, which is a major psychological resistance level or key level just in general, because you can see that we kind of broke above that. But what that more so means is that right now we have this resistance level around 77.5 cents and this support level around 72.5 cents. Both strong key levels, a strong resistance and a strong support. So what's going to happen is going to depend on which one of those is going to break first. And I don't have a bias on that. As you can see, just to visualize that, we're in this box right now, this yellow box. What's going to happen and whether that's influenced by the fundamentals or not, doesn't matter. What's going to happen is we're either going to drop down below 72.5 cents, after which we will at least drop down to this level here, right here, between 66 and 65 cents. And from there we'll see again, based on what kind of touch we get, based on the fundamentals. From there we'll probably drop down a little bit lower, to be honest, but we could also bounce back. If, for example, we drop down below this and the inflation rate tomorrow is lower than expected, we can still rally. But on the other hand, if we are able to break above 77.5 cents, we'll rally up to at least 85 cents and probably have a chance of going even higher afterwards. So it really depends on that. As I said, right now we're in that box between 77 and 72.5 cents. Which one is going to break is going to determine the direction, at least on the short term. The direction a little bit on more of the long term, and after that short term is going to depend on the result of the inflation rate tomorrow and other fundamental events coming in the next 48 hours. So I'll keep you updated on that, of course, probably mainly in the Bitcoin videos, but for now this is my take on Stacks specifically. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.